Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the center surface burner cover on your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Lift off both grates. Remove the burner cap. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the two screws securing the surface burner cover. Lift off the old cover. Install the new surface burner cover by aligning it on the base, then secure it with the screws. Replace the burner cap and reposition both grates. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.